This video will discuss the improvements that have been made to the CAD Importer in ShapeBuilder 13. Let's get started. Previous versions of ShapeBuilder could only import polylines that had the close properties set to yes. Now ShapeBuilder better handles the import of polylines, allowing shapes composed of polylines, 2D polylines, and 3D polylines to be imported, regardless of what the close property is set to. In this CAD file, we see the triangles are composed of polylines on layer 1. 2 of the polylines have the close property set to no, while 1 has the close property set to yes. There's also a circle and ellipse located on layer 2, and a 3D face and solid located on layer 3. Now let's import this CAD file into ShapeBuilder 13. The first thing we notice in ShapeBuilder when importing the CAD file is that the DXF/DWG Import Options dialog box has been overhauled. Hovering over the layers on the left, we can see the items each layer contains. We will select the 3 layers that we want to import. In the updated dialog box, we still have the options to specify the units, multiply the coordinates to scale the model, set the number of line segments used to approximate arcs and circles, and center the model at the origin. We can also see the CAD file bounds, and we can set the material to be used for importing shapes. Note, the default material in the CAD import dialog box now keys off the material set in the preferences. We can change the preference if we have a material that we typically use so that we don't have to change the material every time we import a shape. Clicking OK, we see that the 3 polylines imported, even though 2 of them had the close property set to no. Also, we see that the circle, ellipse, 3D face, and solid imported without issue. In addition to importing CAD files from the dialog box, CAD files can now be imported directly from the command line. As shown in the help file, the import CAD command can accept a number of different parameters to set the various options while importing. For this example, let's import the CAD file we were looking at previously, scale it by a factor of 2, use 30 line segments to approximate the arcs and circles, use ASTM A36 material, and only import the items on layer 2. Hitting enter, we see the circle and ellipse imported from layer 2, scaled by a factor of 2. For more information on how to use the command line in ShapeBuilder, see the script command line training video. Note, the import CAD command can also be used in more complex external scripts, allowing multiple CAD files to be batch processed in ShapeBuilder. For more information, see the external scripts training video. We hope the improvements to the CAD Importer in ShapeBuilder 13 increases your productivity in the program. Thanks for watching and have a great day.